Jackson is one of the best book series for kids. But is it really worth reading? Well, I have read it and I've got a lot to share. So, if you're a kid wondering what to read next, or a parent searching for a book that your child will actually enjoy, this one's for you. You know, most parents, including my own, often wonder which books are truly good for their children. Some even say we don't prefer fictional stories. We want real things for our kids. But is that really the right way to choose a book? Or are we missing something magical by skipping fiction? Just because a story is imaginary doesn't mean it isn't true in its own way. Books like Percy Jackson may talk about monsters and magic. But they also teach us about bravery, loyalty, and believing in yourself. In this video, I'm not going to share what I loved. I'll also tell you what I didn't like and help you decide if Percy Jackson is the right choice for your bookshelf. Okay, so here's what Percy Jackson is all about. It's a book series written by Rick Riordan. It starts with a boy named Percy who thinks he's just a normal kid. But one day he finds out something crazy. His dad is a Greek god. From that moment, everything in his life changes. He meets monsters, goes on big quests, visits magical places, and even has a pen that turns into a sword. Cool, right? He even goes to a magical camp where kids like him learn how to use their powers and go on adventures. Every time I turned the page, something exciting happened. Battles, laughter, and things I never saw coming. What I love the most about Percy is that he was not a perfect boy. He had some learning difficulties like dyslexia, which makes reading tricky, and ADHD, which means it's hard for him to sit still or focus sometimes. Because of that, he sometimes feels he's left out or different from everyone else. But still, he became a hero. He was brave, funny, and always stood by his friends, even when things got really tough. And you know what's super cool? While I was enjoying the story, I was actually learning about Greek gods and monsters without even realizing I was learning. It was like fun plus facts at the same time. So if you're wondering whether to give this book a try, here are a few reasons why I think it's totally worth it. It's full of action. There's always something exciting happening, so you'll never feel bored. You also get to learn about Greek gods, monsters, and legends, but in a super fun way. The friendships in the story are really strong and heartwarming. It shows how important it is to stand by your friends. It sparks your imagination like crazy. It could picture every scene in my mind, like watching a movie. Plus, the writing is simple and fun. Even if you don't read big books, yet you'll enjoy it. Now I'll be honest with you. Even Percy Jackson has a few things you might want to know before starting. Some parts have monster battles. They're not really scary, but for younger kids, it might feel a bit intense. The story also moves really fast. So if you're new to big chapter books, you might want to read it slowly and enjoy every part. And here's the funny part. It's kind of addictive. Once you finish the first book, you'll probably be hunting for the second one right away. So even with those little things, I still think Percy Jackson is such a great pick for the right readers. It's best for kids around 9 years and older. If you have enjoyed books like Roald Dahl and Geronimo Stilton or Famous Five, this can be your next big adventure. And if you love magic, brave heroes and stories that make you feel excited and strong inside, then I'm pretty sure you'll have an amazing time reading it. Dear parents, if you're looking for a safe, exciting and meaningful book, Percy Jackson is a wonderful choice. It's not just fun, it teaches friendship, teamwork, and that being different is something to be proud of. It shows kids that their unique qualities can be their biggest strengths, and that courage comes in from many forms. And I can tell you this from my own experience. Reading Percy Jackson made me feel brave, curious, and full of energy. It made me believe that even regular kids like me, can do incredible things. And I think other kids will feel the same way when they read it. I hope this video helped you a lot. For more such book talks and fun reading tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse Bailey. See you next time.